truly disruptive, differentiated, 10 times better, and so on and so forth. And always part of the process is for something very technical level, I would call Rich, and I would ask him to sort of meet the entrepreneurs, and I would ask him to sort of kick the tires on the technology side and on the entrepreneur / technologist side, so the people. And I would then ask him two questions: how good is it? How much of a shot do they have? And how good are they? And unless it's really sort of different and impresses, like if he's not impressed, not even go there. I will sort of pass outright. But if he's impressed, then we sort of figure out whether they have a shot at building a real differentiation, a real business in a very crowded space where, by definition, if you have 5 competitors, they will all get funded because you have at least 5 VC firms who absolutely want to invest in something which is hot. Our motto at Softtek is, if ever we hear about the same theme too often, we just pass outright. So, the whole, what's popular these days? Car sharing. Right? Car sharing is like the thing of the day. 4 or 5 startups will pass on everything. And I'm sure that one of them will succeed, but we might not be able to invest in that one, and we won't know for a couple of years who has actually the right solution. And so it's okay for us to just say, don't care, we'll pass. We like the very complex, unsexy verticals, because even if I tell you what those guys do, you'll go, ugh, not interesting. And you will completely disregard how big the potential is, and that's great. We love that.